Okay, just to remind you what inequalities are, and they involve these funny symbols like that one and that one. It's all about things being less than or greater than each other. So if you look on the left hand side, if I say x is less than 3, that means that if I put 3 on the number line, x is anywhere, the number x can be anywhere below 3, and less than means anywhere to the left. So even if I had something like -4, even though the 4 looks as if it should be bigger than the 3, because it's -4, it's to the left of 3 on the number line, and therefore it's less than 3. If we look on the right hand side now, if I have x greater than 4, that means x can take on any number greater than 4, so to the right of it on the number line. Now, if I had an extra line on our inequalities, that would turn the one on the left hand side to mean x is less than or equal to 3. So as well as being anywhere to the left of 3, it could actually land on 3. So I colour in my circle on the 3. At the moment, x greater than 4, it can't actually land on the 4, but it could be anything greater. But if I put that there, x is greater than or equal to 4, I can colour in my 4 on the number line. So let's just look at a couple of others. Let's just rub that out and do a couple of more number line questions. So if I had, for example, x is less than or equal to -1, I could draw my number line. There's -1. X is less than or equal to, so I can colour in my circle because it could actually land on -1, and then it'd be anything less than -1 as well. So that represents x and a number less than or equal to -1. If I had one that was -2 was less than x, which was less than or equal to 3, if I needed to represent that on a number line, I know my boundaries are -2 and +3. My x could be any number in between those. It cannot be equal to -2, so it would be represented by an empty circle at the -2 end, but it could be equal to 3, and therefore I can colour in that circle at 3. So that is a diagrammatic representation of x being between -2 and 3, where it could be equal to 3.